let's look at some sight words for block 4. These are some of our sight words, and these words you just want to memorize. Some are easy, some sound out, and some you just have to memorize. They don't sound out. So let's practice together. Me. When this E is at the end of the word, when a vowel is at the end of the word, and it's just short like that, no other thing after it, no consonant after it, it's going to be a long vowel, and it's going to say its name. So this is the letter E, so it says E. M, E, me. B, E, B. Very good. What do you think this is? Good job. W, E, we. H, E, he. Now this is 2 of the E's together, but no consonant after it. So this is going to be a long vowel. It's going to say its name, E. And we don't say E twice, we just say E once. S, E, C. Good job. So let's read these again. Me, be, we, he, see. Now keep practicing these. You can write them on little cards and practice your cards till you memorize them. Now these 3 are the same, and this one, not this one. This one's going to be a little different, but these will all say the O sound because there's no consonant after this. So it's just a consonant here with a vowel, nothing after it. So this will say a long O sound, O. So we have S, O, so, G, O, go, N, O, no. This one's a little trickier. Ago, like long ago, on the hill. You know, it sounds like a fairy tale, ago. And this word is do. So these 2 you'll just want to memorize. Ago, do. Because this is making an oo sound. Instead of saying d-o, like we think it will say, it says oo, do. So we have so, go, no, ago, do. Very good. Now these words all sound out, and these words mostly sound out, not this one. This one's a little tricky. So let's start with these. B-ad, bad. L-ad, lad. R-ad, red. G-ad, God. J-ab, job. L-at, let. Let's do these one more time. Bad, led, red. And you notice all these have the ed word family. God, job, let. Very good. Let's start with these. This one sounds out. G-ass, gas. Very good. B-ad, bad. This word you just want to memorize because this is going to make an I sound. M-I, my. So just memorize that. That's like my dog, my cat, my. G-at, got. And. So you hear all 3 of those sounds. You can sound that out. And. Me and my friend. M-en, men. Very good. Let's read this column one more time. Gas, bad, my, got, and men. Good reading. So all these words need to be on cards so you can practice reading them. And we have some more. These are the rest of our sight words for this block. Start with this. This one sounds out. Add, had, s-at, set, g-at, get, b-ig, big, r-ed, red. Good reading. So we have had, set, get, big, red. Let's go to this column. These 3 words here sound alike. It's going to be a little different. Let's start with this one. T-en, ten. Now, if we sound this out, we sound out d-ag, dog. But we don't call our dog a dog. We call him a dog. So this OG is going to make an og sound or an og sound. So when you look at the word og, dog, and you think, what is a dog? It will remind you, oh, they mean dog, dog. We say that a little different. And then this word rhymes with this one, lo. If we sound it out, we would say lo, og, log. But we don't call it a log, we call it a log. So we have dog, log, one more, og, fog. Now if we sound it out, we have og, fog. But we don't say fog, we say fog. So the fog will remind you, wait a minute, we pronounce this a little differently, fog. So we have dog, log, fog. And then we also have this one, also. So the so is that little word we learned already, so, so. And this is like all, like the end that you hear in ball, all, so, also. That might be a little tricky, but just keep practicing it on your cards. Okay, now let's read some sentences with all the words we have learned so far. You ready? Let's go. How about you try and read, and then I will read it and see if you're right. You ready? Okay, good job. The king fed the rest to the best. Good reading. Did you notice the est word family? Good job. The bell will not ring. Good reading. Try this sentence. Okay, did you say the ring fell in the well? Good job. How about this one? Did you say that bug is a pest? Good reading. Okay, how about this sentence? Okay, good reading. That was a long sentence. Tell the king to sell the red ring to me. Very good. How about this sentence? Good reading. I bet he will sell that pet cat to me. Good job. Did you remember this was I? Okay, good reading. Here are a couple more. You go first. Okay, did you say he had to get the best bed for my pal? Good reading. How about this sentence? Did you say, do not go to the well? Very good. Okay. Did you say, go to the king and get the pet? Good for you. Let's try this one. And did you notice this? Question mark. Can we go and see the wet pet? And you raise your voice a little at the end when it's a question mark. Can we go and see the wet pet? Good reading. Now let's see, here we have exclamation mark. That means we say this like real excited. You go first. Did you say, I will do it? Exclamation. I will do it. Good job. Now we have a question, so we're going to raise our voice at the end. You go first. Good reading. Can I do it? Very good. That's our question. Can I do it? Question mark. Okay, good reading. Very good. Now that's all for block 4. You can read your sight words. You can read your making words, your word families. There's also several books that I have recorded that you can read also, and you can read it with me or listen. And they're called Oops, I See a Cat, Tom at the Dam, Tim the Hog, and Jim and Cal. They're part of the alphabet series. And look for those videos. You can read them with me because you know all the sounds now for those books. Great. Now I'll see you in block 5.